now everyone has hunkered home, all purchases seem to be from Amazon. So today I got this, the power bank. It is a power bank with built-in phone stand and also built-in cables. So instead of carrying cables and a phone stand, now apparently this can do it all. So this is it. It came today in a non-descriptive box. It's pretty slim, pretty heavy. And the back is the 3 cables. You get a lightning cable, USB-C, and micro USB. And here is the stand I'm trying to open up. On the front, there's 4 lights to indicate how much is charged. Otherwise, in the box is pretty simple. It's just an instruction. Multiple languages, may I add. Now, you're not going to be able to charge your MacBook with USB-C from here. So it's for tablets, phones, and cameras. I don't have any camera that uses USB-C or USB charger, so don't do me any good. Otherwise, self-explanatory. And here is what the phone looked like on the stand. So you might want to put the phone in the middle if you don't want it slightly tilt to the side. And each of the cables are only about 3 inches long, so you're not going to be able to, I guess, charge 2 or 3 devices at the same time because they just would be too crowded. And compared to my phone, which is shown here is a Galaxy S8, it's a little bit less in height. So okay, as you can see, it is charging. And in the back, again, the 4 lights, 3 of them right now, that obviously means it's only about 75% charged. So here I'm charging an iPad, 12%. So you could charge 2 devices if you really think you can fit it. So yes, it's charging, and the iPad is charging. Yes, I do have 3 accounts with Pokemon Go. Wait a minute, is that an event EV? What? Can't believe it. Alright, that must be a catch. Now the battery capacity is 10,000 milliamps. So in theory, it should charge most of this iPad and all of my iPhone. It's a pretty good little investment, I think, for $15. Click the coupon. It's $19.95 now, but with coupon, you can get it down to $14.95. And I'm going to show a picture of why I bought this device, because I put that in one of my cable carrying cases. So I put that picture in the very end. And here's a micro USB charging. That's an input. Here's my carrying case for my cables when I travel. I put that in my backpack. So as you can see, it fits the battery compartment pretty well. So for $15 from Amazon, 2-day shipping, it's really a good deal in my opinion.